Hello and welcome to the 25th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Mona Heights Primary from St. Andrew up against Creative Kids Learning Academy from St. Andrew as well. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. So the coin toss earlier had Creative Kids winning, and they asked Mona Heights to go in first. So we'll start section 1 off, and the teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer, and we'll earn 1 point for each correct answer. Let's begin with Bible knowledge. Mona Heights. What were the names of Lazarus's 2 sisters?
Mary and Martha, Mary and Martha, Mary and Martha.
Correct. Creative Kids. What was Abel's profession?
Shepherd. Shepherd.
Correct. Science. Mona Heights, what is another name for the breastbone?
Sternum, sternum, sternum.
Correct. Creative Kids, what is another name for the shoulder blade?
Collarbone.
Incorrect. It's the scapula. Local affairs. It's a visual. Mona Heights, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ruel Reed, Ruel Reed, Ruel Reed.
Minister of Education. Correct. Creative Kids, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Carl Samuda, Carl Samuda.
Minister of Agriculture. Correct. We move on to English language. Mona Heights, spell the word controversy.
Controversary.
Incorrect. Controversy. Creative Kids, spell the word frivolous.
Fribulous.
Incorrect. Frivolous. We move on to television. It's a visual. Mona Heights, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Christian Bale.
Incorrect. It's Channing Tatum. Creative Kids, look at the monitor as well and identify this actor.
Bradley Cooper.
Incorrect. It's Matt Bomer. Social studies. Mona Heights, in order from smallest to largest, what are the 4 inner planets?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Incorrect. It's Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth. Creative Kids, the asteroid belt is found between the orbits of which 2 planets?
Jupiter and Mars. Jupiter and Mars.
Correct. Music for Mona Heights. In what year did Jamaican reggae icon Bob Marley die?
1981.
Correct. Creative Kids, in what year was the musical group Bob Marley and the Wailers formed?
1973.
Incorrect. Off by 10 years. 1963. Mathematics for Mona Heights. Which of the following numbers would not be rounded off to 3,300 if you round off to the nearest hundred? 3,250, 3,360, or 3,229?
3,360.
Correct. Creative Kids, what is 94,311 rounded off to the nearest 10,000?
90,000.
Correct. We move on to sports. It's a visual. Mona Heights, look at the monitor and identify this person.
LeBron James.
Incorrect. It's Dwight Howard. And Creative Kids, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dwayne Wayne.
Incorrect. It's Carmelo Anthony. Jamaican affairs. Mona Heights, what does the abbreviation MOCA, as used by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, stand for?
Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Task Force.
Incorrect. Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency. Creative Kids, what does the abbreviation CDA, as used by the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, stand for?
Culture Dance Agency.
Incorrect. It's the Child Development Agency. And that's the bell signaling the end of section 1 with Mona Heights on 5 and Creative Kids on 4. We go for a break, but first listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. It is normal for you to feel a little stressed when taking an exam. However, you will be calmer if you arrive on time and stay relaxed. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. We'll be right back.